I know this is so gross, but the onion bowl trick actually works. If your baby or toddler is coughing at night, you have to try this trick. Peel the skin off an onion, cut it into quarters, and put it in a bowl in their room before bed. Onions release sulfur compounds into the air that help loosen mucus and calm irritated airways while they sleep. This is especially helpful when coughing gets worse at night and nothing else seems to help. I put the bowl about 3 feet from the bed. It doesn't need to be right next to them, just in the same room. You could also put onion slices on the bottoms of their feet and cover with socks. If it helps them sleep through the night, rest, and get better, it is so worth it.
Onion